What if you could create an entire Amazon KDP book in minutes? Woksy is an AI-powered publishing platform that generates kids' books, coloring books, nonfiction, and puzzle books, complete with illustrations and KDP-ready PDFs.
Here is how it works.
Woksy is a full-stack AI book generator built for Amazon KDP publishers. Pick a book type, fill out a wizard, and the AI generates every page with illustrations and text. You edit in a Canvas editor, export as a print-ready PDF at 300 dpi with proper bleed margins, and upload straight to KDP. It supports 7 book types: kids' stories, coloring books, nonfiction, word search, trivia, Sudoku, and upload your own. The Kids Book Generator creates illustrated stories with custom characters. Choose from 8 illustration styles, including anime, watercolor, claymation, and storybook. Add your own character designs or use the built-in character library. The AI writes story beats from opening through climax to resolution, generates a matching illustration for every page, and creates multiple layout options like text left, image right, or full-page illustration. The Coloring Book Wizard offers 15 art styles, from mandala and zentangle to kawaii and stained glass. Set age groups from toddlers to adults, enable progressive difficulty so pages get harder, and even activate color by number mode with up to 24 color palettes. For puzzles, generate word search grids up to 30 by 30, trivia books with answer keys, and Sudoku at easy, medium, or hard difficulty. Puzzle books cost just 2 credits since they use algorithms, not AI. The standalone cover generator has 12 cover styles, from minimalist to fantasy to retro. It builds the complete KDP-ready cover, front, spine, and back assembled into one PDF with proper bleed areas at 0. 125 inches per KDP spec. The spine width auto-calculates based on page count and paper type. You can regenerate just the front or back independently, apply AI edits with text prompts, or manually position elements in Fabric.js Canvas Editor. Every book page opens in a full Canvas editor powered by Fabric.js. Add text overlays with custom fonts, sizes, colors, and positioning. Regenerate any page image with a new prompt. Use inpainting to mask and modify specific regions without regenerating the whole image. Every edit is versioned, so you can restore previous versions at any time. When you are done, export the entire book as a KDP-ready PDF with optional 4x upscaling and automatic page numbering. Woksy uses a provider factory pattern for AI. Google Gemini is the primary provider for both image and text generation, with OpenAI as automatic fallback. If both fail, a mock provider keeps the app running. The system has dedicated prompt templates for every book type: coloring line art, cover designs, kids illustrations, nonfiction chapters, and prompt enhancement. Each template is optimized for its specific output style and KDP requirements. New users get 100 free credits to start. Kids' books and coloring books cost 1 credit per AI-generated page, plus 5 for an auto cover and 1 for KDP metadata. Nonfiction costs 2 credits per chapter. Puzzle books are just 2 credits flat, since they use algorithms, not AI. Uploading your own images costs 0 credits. Credits are deducted up front when you queue a job and refunded automatically if generation fails. Stripe handles payments for buying more. For developers, Woksy is a PNPM monorepo with React 18 and Vite on the front end, Express.js on the back end, PostgreSQL with Drizzle ORM for the database, and Redis with BullMQ for async job processing. File storage uses S3-compatible services like Cloudflare R2. Real-time progress updates stream through Socket.io. The whole thing deploys for under $20 a month on Vercel, plus Railway, plus Neon PostgreSQL. That is Woksy. From idea to KDP-ready PDF in minutes. You start with 100 free credits. Like and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials.